How to invest in stock market for beginners. The term hot stocks can be wildly misleading for those who are just beginning their foray into the world of investment. Looking for hot stocks could mean trying to find those stocks that will pay off in dividends in the short term. But what uneducated investors don't realize is that hot stocks mean much more than instant gratification. Instead, hot stocks could be defined as those stocks that may require patience to realize their full potential. Be wary of those stocks that rise in value dramatically. The fall could be just as dramatic. Hot stocks may be considered hot because of their significant earnings, but volatility could be an indication of an unstable product. First and foremost, when it comes to hot stocks, do your research. Learn as much as you possibly can about the stock market and its bevy of indicators. Research the particular hot stock in which you are interested and leave no stone unturned. A lack of comprehensive research could spell disaster further down the road. The informational resources for hot stocks can be found online. The internet has become a viable environment for trading. Research hot stocks to learn their current worth and future predictions. Take advantage of online forums where traders share their experiences. You may find many a helpful hint on how to go about trading hot stocks. You'll often find a number of online traders willing to offer advice about online trading. Additionally, in an effort to understand the complexities of hot stocks, take some professional courses to help you navigate this new world. You'll be best served by getting the advice of professionals. Take what you need to learn the most you can about this complicated arena. Most importantly, don't get in over your head. If you are a novice at trading, then keep your activity simple and conservative. Hot stocks in an industry about which you know very little will only serve to frustrate and confuse you in the future. Instead, choose those hot stocks that are available within industries in which you have a comfortable level of familiarity. Trading hot stocks can be exciting, but it can also be unnerving. Take the time to conduct thorough research on any hot stocks and in trading in general. Some effort now will serve you well for years to come as you continue to navigate the stock market.